I'm deaf. Growing up, I often felt disconnected. I struggled to fit in and to be accepted. I was stuck with all these labels society had given me. However, when I'm out in nature, I know the forest accepts me fully as I am. There's no struggle. When doing shinrin-yoku, where I guide others, the forest shows them acceptance and how to love themselves. Don't settle for society's labels. When I guide people into the forest, whether it be deaf or hearing participants, I help them connect with their senses. I challenge them to let go of some of their primary senses. For example, I encourage hearing people to soften their listening, to withhold from speaking. I tell them they don't need to say anything, that through silence they may be able to discover something more. There's something healing about just being quiet. That's something I bring to nature and forest therapy.